people's gonna be watching or anything.
That
But
is totally fine with me. I mean, even if people are watching, like I'm an introvert, so like for me, it's fine because I'm not seeing. It's not like it's like an actual background, like an
yeah, like you're not
audience. You know what
seeing
I'm saying?
them and hearing them. That's exactly how. Okay, good, perfect.
Because I'm like, nah. If it was like actual live, like in front of it, like how Render was, I'm like, nah.
Oh yeah. Did you like Render? How was that for you?
I liked it. Though there's a couple of things I didn't like though. One, we already know. I think you probably already know which one I didn't like. It's the whole line with the food. That was ridiculous.
Oh.
I'm sorry. That for me was like, whoops. That for me was like no. And then the other thing I did not like. What was the other thing? It wasn't about the event. It was. Wait, actually, shoot. What was the other thing I did?
I didn't even
Oh,
see you at
so
anything.
I did it. What I didn't like was the whole. Pretty much what happened was it's like the venue itself, because you know how the venue is inside and then like you can kind of go outside.
Hmm.
So the venue was too small. I think they expected more than. I
Yeah,
mean, they didn't
they
expect
thought it would
enough.
be less people, and then we just
Yeah,
came
everyone
through.
came through. So it's like, which I that one I'm not gonna get on them for because they didn't know. You know what I'm saying? I
Yeah,
think now they know. So now they know. Now they're like, all right, we gotta get like a better venue next year.
yeah. I was pretty impressed because it's only been their third time doing this, and I was like, "What the? This is
Wow, I did
yeah,
not know that.
yeah." Like the fact that it was their third time, I'm like, "Wow."
Huh.
Like I can't believe y'all got this done. But I understand. I was sometimes hungry, but I feel like they heard our concerns and
No,
they're gonna fix it.
no, definitely. I'm definitely. I got like. Did you get an email about the survey you had to do?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I definitely gonna go next year though. Um, I feel like for me, there's some stuff I still need experience. I met a lot of people
Yeah.
though. I met a lot of
I
people,
didn't
so I was
even see
happy
you
about that.
at the events. Where were you?
I
Like,
I went to the. When did you go to the AWS one?
no, I went to the tea party.
Oh, I went to
That's why.
AWS. Yeah, see the AWS, that one you had to sign up. You had to RSVP, but that one was pretty fun. I actually like that one because there was only like it was like free drinks until like a certain time period. But so
Ooh.
that was fun. But I didn't go to the so the first one, I remember you told me about that. I was like, dang, I was what by the time you told me about that one, I was already in my room. So like cuz
Oh.
I didn't stay in hotel. I stayed in Airbnb, which that's
Oh.
another
So
story,
it would
which
take you
was
a
good.
while to get up there.
Yeah, it would have honestly it would have took me probably about I'd say probably like 20 minutes. It's not bad, by
Yeah.
Uber. But other than that, I went to the Milk and Cookies. That was a lot of fun though.
I didn't go to the. I
Yeah,
left
because you
on
left.
the.
Yeah, you left.
Yeah, I left pretty early. Okay, let me let's install the repo and then we could talk more at the same time.
Okay.
Do you already have this like forked or anything?
No, I actually don't have the open source forked
Okay,
actually.
cool. Let's go to the README or like the initial page for it, and then go in the hot repository.
Mm,
Or yeah, click a repositories and then yeah,
hot.
hot. Yeah. And then actually could you make it a little bit bigger for me? I'm a little blind. Okay, cool. That's perfect. And then go to scroll down. They should have like a contributing guidelines or something. Eh,
Prerequisites. I do. I know I have Node installed, so I know that.
okay. And then we'll need to run that. Da da da. Keep scrolling. I could have sworn they will have like here it is, the contributing guide. So click that link that says please check out the contributing guide.
Should I open a new tab or
Yeah,
should?
open a new tab. And okay, perfect. It said that we should we should fork the repository. So go back to the old tab first and then scroll up to the top. And then keep going, keep going. Okay. Right, you see it says sponsor watch fork *77.
Wait, where at?
I wish I
Wait.
could.
Oh,
I wish I could circle. Okay, there,
oh,
right
so
there. Yeah.
yeah.
So click fork, and that's gonna copy it into your like profile and give
My
you a
profile.
repo. Yeah.
Okay.
So just do create fork, and then now we're gonna clone it. So like you were I saw you opening up your terminal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And you could follow those instructions too. Can you make the terminal like a little bit bigger?
Sure.
Zoom. Word, thank
You
you.
see that?
Okay.
All right. Hey, you buying me, and I have glasses.
I probably
Please.
need them. But I think it looks smaller on things like this.
Let me see. Let me make sure I'm in.
Oh yeah.
Want
Make
to
sure
see
it's
where
in
I
a
can
good
put it
folder.
at. I'm gonna put it on my desktop. There's like nothing there.
And low key, I don't know if that's the right link to clone.
What, this one?
Because he has different projects. This is my manager's project.
Oh,
I
okay.
think it's gonna be, well, I'll let you get to that part and then I'll tell you what the URL is gonna be. Okay, someone's in here. Who is it?
I don't know.
I'm about to say oh, hey Anthony. Well, y'all are both named Anthony.
Oh,
His
I was
name's
about to say,
AJ.
like right here.
Yo, I'm gonna throw it. Yo, yeah. Sorry, I'll say AJ then.
Where's the link to clone?
Okay, I think you gotta just clone what's in the URL right there where it says github.com/abex617/hot. That's what you gotta clone. So yeah, you got it.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Mm-mm. Perfect. Okay, that was fast. And then you can CD into hot. Cool. And then I think you can. This is so much steps. But then go to the go to the other tab because I think this contributing guidelines is more for the open source. Like he has two projects within there.
Oh, yes, too.
Yeah, so one is open source and one is hot open source.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. Oh, make sure that you have those node versions. You said you do, and the right
Yeah,
npm
I
version.
should. How do I check Node on terminal again? It was like Node, I think dash V, I think. No.
Yeah, close. I think it's node dash dash version or node dash v. Anthony off like a face off. He said, thank you, AJ." Sorry, I'm reading the the comments, and the other Anthony said is an Anthony off. Okay, so you have 16. I think that means you have the same npm one too. I think you could do. I hope this is right. npm dash v, or like it's kind of what you did with the version. Hope I'm right.
Oh Lord, Lord have mercy. Okay,
Mm,
what was that?
but you do have it. I see it. It says
Oh,
8.5
8 point.
whatever.
Yeah.
Word. Perfect. Now you can do the rest of the steps where it says npm ci and npm start. Who's the other person viewing? I want to know. It doesn't tell me.
Wait, it doesn't tell you.
No,
You're
I
not. You're
got
not
it.
doing this. Are you doing this on Twitch? Or
I'm
is this?
do No, I am doing this on Twitch. I just don't have the Twitch tab opened. I'm
Oh
just
yeah.
looking from StreamYard because I don't
True.
like when I hear the. Let me mute the site and then figure out. I'm nosy. Oh no,
Okay.
it didn't mute. Okay. 2 viewers. Oh, I don't know who TREW Albert is, but hello. What's up?
Okay.
Oh,
I
you
did.
got the
I did npm
Trude
start.
Albert. Cool. So it's up. Okay, now we can look at the issue. Now that we have it running, and figure out what does the issue want us to do. Mm-hmm. This is so fun. Well, to me it is, because I'm not done coding.
Nigga, you ain't even nothing. Shoot, you tell me what to do. That's the fun part. You got the best job. All right,
It really is. I was like, last time I tried to code on Twitch, I was freaking out. But you're calm.
Well, yeah, the outside, inside, I'm like, oh my anxiety is like it's going up. I'm slowly going up.
You're doing so good. Okay, I will try to make sure I'm not like making
No,
you
you're
have
doing
more
great.
anxiety.
You're doing
Okay,
great.
good.
I just need to like get used to the process of doing more stuff like this.
I get you. I get you. Oh, what I wanted to do, so like we see this issue, I wanted to figure out where this part of like where
That they're
that
seeing it
last
on the site.
contribution, yeah. I'm like, where do you see that at?
Because it looks like a hover effect, like what they
Yeah.
and it says last, so maybe it's like on Git, like that's weird. This is lighting up, so it's like
What if you like logged in? What will happen? Let me try it on my side too. Opensource.pizza. Does it have a section at the top of the hot open source thing for you to log in?
yeah, it does.
Okay, try that. Like maybe that's the area that it's happening.
Authorize.
Like,
Should I authorize? I can authorize, right?
yeah, you can authorize it. It's just OAuth. Let's see, where is this last contribution thing in Mijig?
That's weird. It's not a hover effect at all.
Let's see. Am I bugging? Oh, if when hovering over contributors, the date format presents a date string. So we have to hover over a contributor. Oh, I see it now. I see it. Okay. Okay.
That?
Yeah, you got it?
Okay.
Word. All right. All right. So I just wanted to like see when things change. All right. Now let's open this up in in VS Code.
What's the command? Is it like .code or something like that?
Yeah, code dot.
Oh wait, hold on.
But maybe you need to make a new tab in your terminal, or else it will.
Oh yeah, how do I do? Oh man, all right, that's why I need your help. I'm not good at terminal. Not yet. I'm not yet.
That's okay. You're pretty good. I think if you go to shell and let me see at the new
window.
You could do a new window. That's fine too. And then just cd into the place that it's at and try code dot.
Oh.
The other AJ, let me stop saying the other Anthony. He said once you get into the groove with the terminal, you'll never leave it. Yeah, I think so too. It's like it's fun in there. Hey Ramon, how are you? Now we have 3 viewers. Look at us. How you doing? Oh no, it's like code and then dot.
Oh.
And then space dot.
Oh.
Oh.
Man.
Oh, you might not have it installed.
Man, you gotta install it?
Yeah.
Yo. Jeez, I didn't. Man, I had no idea you had to install it. I've been trying to do that for the longest time. All right, well, let me do it the old-fashioned way and just bring it over there.
No worries. And in
335.
VS Code, there's like a thing you gotta do to say like, I see familiar faces. Oh my gosh. People tuned in.
What is it? Just top. All right, I did the old way.
Okay.
Next
Perfect.
time, audience, I'll do it the cool kids way. I made the cool kids. But for right now, you know, I gotta do it the slow way. All right, so that was that. So
And perfect.
was that hover effect? Actually, let me put this in the other screen, and then let me. There we go. Can you see it?
Can we make it a little bigger? Oh, and oh, I did not mean to click it. I was trying to copy and paste it. But AJ just dropped some knowledge on how to open your Visual Studio Code from your terminal. So
Oh,
I'll send
word.
it to you after. Okay, that's big enough. And
That's
then I think the issue, because it's a good first issue, he said which file it was going to be in, and I think it's in a file called avatar.tsx.
mm-hmm.
If you do Command P, I think we can just type in avatar.tsx and then it will bring us there. And Ramon said the size looks good. Awesome. Okay, now I feel like he told us what line too. It's on line 68 is where we gotta do this. So 68. There it is, where it says last contribution was at last PR. You see it?
Yep.
Cool. Can we go into that last PR thingy? That variable and see where it's being defined. If you right click it. Hey, hey Vortex, what's up? And then go to definition. It's the
Mm-hmm.
first one.
Oh, there you
Perfect. People who helped to build this site are watching, so if we get stuck, they will help us. So last PR is getting passed into Avatar like that. Interesting. I'm trying to hold on. I low key want to open this up on my side.
go. Yeah, go ahead. You're more of a JavaScript expert than I am, so.
Not an expert. Don't say that. I'm not an expert. I'm a intermediate.
That's good. Hey, intermediate JavaScript is good enough. As you know,
Yeah.
with JavaScript, it's good enough. Shoot.
Could you do a global search for the word last PR? I
Um,
helped a lot with distracting Brian from working on it, if that's what you mean. No! Just finished work. I need to lurk for like 15 minutes at least. We'll be around to. Okay, thank you. No worries. If not, do a global search. There's like a little, what's that thing? Like on the left side, there's like a finder. Go up. You're almost there. Yeah, do last PR.
hold on.
Professional distractors. That's what I am too.
Dude,
Okay, there we go. I think I'm seeing where it gets defined. It's either the one in the post grid or the post lists, or maybe both. Yeah, let's click that. Okay, so it's taking it from data, contributions, and this first array, last merge that. What we could do is we could wrap these in the DayJS thingy that they suggested.
we have to download that?
You probably just have to like install it. Let's see how we install it. Like it's probably like npm install. Um,
So
let's
bye
see.
bye yawning people. It's 5:30.
Yeah, and you've been at work.
I've been at work since
No
actually
worries.
for early too.
No worries. I think that's fair. Okay. Could you go to your browser real quick and let's look at the DayJS stuff.
DayJS.
Yeah. So you can see how to install it and how to use it.
Oh, hold on. Can I not put it in my?
Who's trying to sponsor me so I could not use the unpaid StreamYard? Okay. There we go. Want to go back? I don't know if we need to be here. Oh, there we go. Click the word installation. Installation. Node.js.
For both of them, if you want a sample code, just open your browser. Man, they don't have for this. They don't have good directions.
Yeah, that's interesting. I was thinking if we try clicking Node.js, I'm imagining that they're gonna write like npm is.
Oh,
Oh,
here
there
we
we
go.
go. Yeah, you could just type npm install DayJS in your browser, and then we could import it in there.
I could type this on the browser.
I mean, sorry, in your terminal.
Oh,
Thank you for catching me.
I was like, what? Since I'm in that folder.
Oh shoot, and we didn't even make a new branch. Let's make a new branch.
What in this? Oh yeah, we did.
Yeah, and
How we do? What's the command for that?
get checkout -b, and I believe you gotta call it like, well, you can
Like
just
that?
call it. Yeah, I was trying to remember if this project has like the branch name that they prefer, but I guess you can just call it feet update day or something like that.
Do I
So
put
feet
it?
is
Do I put it in quotes?
yeah.
Was it you said feet?
Yeah, like for feature,
Oh,
FEAT, and then dash, I don't know, you can say update date. Oh yeah. Thanks, AJ. After the B, between the B and the quotes, you need a space. Yeah.
like that?
Perfect. Yeah. And then now we can install the DayJS thing too. You're killing it.
I'm trying. I'm trying. This is. Whew, it's the JavaScript is where the hard part is.
Wait.
This is like okay, I can get this.
What language do you like to write in?
You know what's funny? Like, I don't have a particular language I like to write in. I think some that I've seen like at work, like seen a lot of Python for sure. I feel like that's okay. A lot of people get on it because it's like not a real programming language, but
Python? Really?
yeah, because it's like more scripting. You know, though
Oh,
JavaScript is
gotcha.
scripting language, like it's like more scripting. You do like automation and stuff like that, but like work, use Python here. There's some Java here too.
Gotcha.
So it's not a lot there is some JavaScript, which I kind of want. That's why I want to like get more into it. JavaScript.
Gotcha. Both Java and Python are hard for me. Like everyone's like Python's so easy, but the indents, they just make me lose my mind.
What the indents? Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
only thing I don't like about Python. Is the indentation is kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
I did that. Then it says then include this in your script.
yeah. So, I think you can copy that. Let me see if they do import or do they do const. Oh, copy the import one. Not the Yeah, copy that second line that says import DayJS and put it at the top of the avatar file.
Hold on. When you say avatar file, what do
Oh,
you?
sorry, in VS Code. And I meant, you're right, not the avatar file. Maybe the Postgrid one that we're at.
Where should I put it? Like,
At the like very top. They probably got some import statements
oh,
there
okay.
too. Yeah. So we're like saying we want to use
Ah,
this.
got it,
Yeah.
got it, got it.
And we could take out the ES 2015 too. I think they were just telling us that like
And it supports it.
yeah. Okay, cool. Now we got to figure out how to use DayJS. So you can press save and let's go back to the documentation for DayJS. Sorry I got you going back and forth.
Oh no, this is good. This is good practice.
Um let's look at I'm trying to even remember what we've got to do. I think we got to say like was it 2 days ago, like the relative date,
yeah,
right?
it's like they
Okay.
wanted at i.e. 2 days ago.
Okay. So let me see. DayJS relative time. Oh, I think I found it.
All right.
If you do I'm trying to figure out how to get you there. Oh, okay. If you go to plugins and then scroll down and there's
Oh, having.
my bad. I accidentally just hopped off.
You scared you scared. I was like, yo, where'd she go? Where did Rizel
Sorry.
go?
Sorry. You know what how Mac has like if you like scroll on the
Oh
trackpad, you can go
yeah.
back. Like
Go
I
back.
was just
Yeah.
playing with it and then I'm sorry.
No worries.
They should have something that says is relative time or relative time. Yeah, relative time. Keep scrolling because I think it's in alphabetical order. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, let me see
I
that.
did magically disappear. Uh, keep
Oh,
going
there
right
it is.
there.
Relative time.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
So
Um, I don't understand the requiring that part. Do we gotta?
from now API. Okay. Acquire blah blah blah. Do we have to put that in? I'm assuming we have to
I
put that
think
in our
so. Yeah. Let's try it. So you could. We're
That's
gonna
it.
have to change it to the import and not require, but you can copy both lines for now. And you can put it right underneath, I think. We could refactor it later if anything. Cool. And then we will change that to import and then the squiggle parentheses, right?
You talking about right here? It says require.
Yeah. Like instead of it saying var, change that to import.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah. You're leaving, Derek? Oh. I thought you were going to the gym. Oh. And then change that to like use that same format instead of it saying require, change and with the equal sign, change that to from.
Got it.
Cool. And then you can take away like the parentheses and stuff like that. And use the double quotes. Sorry, let me let you do your thing. I feel like I'm bossing you around. Let me.
Shoot, I need all kinds I need. Do I?
Oh, and take away the equal sign and put it in put the words relative times in those curly braces. Oh,
Right
not
here?
that one. The one on the 11th line. Yeah.
Got it.
because we want to copy. So basically, we're saying like out of this package. I hope I'm
Mm-hmm.
right. People in the comments can correct me. Out of this package, we want like relative time thingy. Why is it squiggly? Why is it red? Am I doing it wrong? Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Um,
Has no export and member. That's weird. Never seen that.
I wonder if in DayJS we can just do um like on line 9. I wonder if we can do like comma and then those squiggly lines um not there but like right by the first mention of DayJS, and we can do comma.
Relative time.
Yeah, if not I will look inside of the package and see what's in there and then put that in squiggly lines. Will it work?
Mm. You want it in the brackets? Between the
Yeah,
brackets?
just the relative line, sorry, relative time word.
Let's see. Four.
And now 6 people are watching us. Hello, 6 people.
Oh, dang, that didn't work either.
Uh, wanna go? I'm so
Yeah.
lazy for this part of stuff.
Let me
Okay.
see.
Go into. Oh, okay, go ahead. I was gonna go into how they defined it and see relative time. See what.
Yo, audience, she disappeared on me again. This is the second time. This is the second time she disappeared on me.
I'm sorry. I did.
I was telling the audience this is the second time she disappeared on me.
Hi, Soul Vampire. Also, I think you said you have a typo for the word relative. I didn't notice that. Relative.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Sorry that I keep accidentally leaving. I think I want to see how. Could you
Go back to the.
uh I feel no, I wanted to like go into the actual package. Like if you can go to, what am I trying to say? You see the word DayJS plugin. So what type of game are you developing? We're not developing a game, Soul Vampire. We are contributing to open source, and we're trying to fix like um there's an area in the website where it says like a date of when something was contributed to, and we're changing it to say like the relative time of it, like it was contributed to 2 days ago rather than just saying the exact time. What I was trying to say, Anthony, was like right click on DayJS plugin / relative time, like the one on line 11,
Mm-hmm.
and go to definition, and let's see what they got in there from now. Oh, maybe we don't need the relative time thing. Yeah, maybe
So we
we
don't
don't.
need that.
Yeah, I thought we needed it, but maybe not.
So
So
we
we could comment it out.
comment this both.
Yeah, and delete the other relative time. I could have sworn like that's what it looked like it was saying. Okay, now what we could try out is just like in the documentation. Want to go back real quick after you're done? Sorry. Oh, and you don't have
Yeah.
to. I don't think you have to wrap that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. You said go back to documentation now.
Yeah. I think we could kind of do what they're doing here, where it says DayJS in the parentheses dot from, and instead of actually putting, and then we do DayJS again, instead of actually putting the time, we'll just put in that code that they already have in there, like where it says like date contributions because they already are pulling the date.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah. So let's see what happens.
Da-da-da. We put that at 68.
Yeah. Oh no. It says something like contributions.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, for the last PR. So yeah, let's paste that, and then instead of the 1990, it'll say the data dot contributions blah 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 blah.
Should it go between the brackets?
Yeah. So those brackets are like passing a property or a prop to
Ah,
the thing.
okay.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
instead of this, you don't want the current date, right?
Yeah. We can just put the data dot contributions blah blah blah. You can actually copy it from line 43. Maybe one day I should try. You can copy that whole thing, like with the zero and everything, because
Oh, okay, okay.
that's how they got the date.
Ah, I see. Gotcha.
Yeah. There's still an error with the
From,
word
what does it say?
from.
Property from does not exist. DayJS, hold on.
DayJS is hard. What
What?
are we supposed to do? Wait, can you go into the definition for DayJS again?
Mm-hmm.
I could. Let me see. There's no word from. Keep scrolling. It has clone year. If you're trying to find the number of days between when an item was added to the current time, you need to convert the number of months, weeks, days, then deduct the current date, which you convert the days from the current. It's not difficult, but that depends on how. Yeah, so I agree with you, Soul Vampire, but like DayJS kind of will do it for us. And that's what was like suggested to use in the issue that we found. So we're just trying to figure out how to use DayJS rather than doing that conversion on our own.
Oh
Um,
yeah.
yeah,
That'll be long. That'll be a longer stream.
yeah, because we're trying to just do this in like less in an hour, and we're almost hit the hour. We're almost done. If we can just do this part. Um, give me a second.
Mm-hmm.
DayJS. Do. DayJS relative time import. Interesting.
Oh.
When you wait, why didn't you go to the rooftop thing? You said because look at the base class code and its methods. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now.
Why didn't I go? Because when I knew about it, when you told me about it, because I actually didn't know there was the rooftop thing. When you told me about it, what time was it at? What time
I
did
don't
you tell me?
know.
I forgot. You told me at night. But by
It
the
was
time I
going
was,
on until like 1 a.m. or
oh, it was?
something. Yeah, I left at
Dang.
11, and then people were like, "You're not gonna go to the trap museum?" I'm like, "No, I'm going to sleep." Cause I'm like, absolutely not. This was enough. Um, yeah, I want to look in the base class to see how are they doing it, because this documentation maybe it's outdated.
You said, oh, outdated.
Yeah, I want. Hopefully, I can wrap this up so that you can go back to work.
Oh, no worries.
Plugin with imports DayJS. Blah blah. Wait, in the DayJS, like sorry, in Visual Studio Code, story time to X is the method you need. You need the time from X method. Do they have what do you mean by that? Soul Vampire. Do they have a plugin or whatever called story time? I thought it was the relative plugin. What should you use? Da-da-da. Can we bring back Moment JS though? I knew how to use that. I'm like,
I know, it was so easier.
Oh, and then yeah, that's what I wanted you to do. Go to definition when you hover over DayJS. I think we already did that earlier. Yeah. And I want to see if you see anything about like relative time or the word from.
Right here. Except from,
Oh, yeah, but like they only have month, date, hour, minute. Nothing about like or it's the time you give in your date and a suffix. Keep going down. After get, set, is there anything that could you search the word relative? Nothing.
nothing.
Y'all could tell I didn't research anything before I even came in here. I was just like,
I
I'm about to
should have too. I didn't even think about that.
I'm like, I wanted it to be real. Like, we're going in and, figuring it out. Which will allow you to import. Oh, okay, wait. Can you do import star as DayJS from DayJS? So online in PostGrid, in the PostGrid TSX file.
Oh, go ahead.
Thanks, Ramon. If you scroll up and do import star, and then yeah, I appreciate those tips too. Thanks to Soul Vampire too. And then import star as DayJS.
As?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. That's all we need. Let me see if it changes anything for us. Can you scroll down to that line? Ugh,
From is not
interesting.
exist. Property.
Yeah,
From.
it makes sense because it's not on there when we when we
When you
looked
try
at
to
it.
search it, yeah.
So it means date my old date to my current date. Yeah, we don't have like. Oh, okay. You're saying do date now to this current date. Okay. So I guess we could try that. Let me figure out how to do the DayJS now thing and tell him to do. All right.
You know, it's funny. I just fixed the issue while we're on stream.
You did?
No, not this issue. The issue at work.
Oh, you fixed the issue you were having for work?
Yeah, I did.
Word.
But anyway, I want to fix this issue.
Good job. Wait, how did you fix it? What was it?
No, it was so basically there's something on the back end that customer needed.
Yeah.
They need pretty much we're getting added. It was like kind of like a little bug that they were having.
Yeah.
Because they weren't like it was like a button. They try to press a button and they get admin access for the product that we use, and then it just wasn't working. So I was like, all right, let me fix it real quick.
Okay.
So I got
I
fixed.
see you.
I'm
awesome.
trying to get
How'd you
this
even
JS.
do it at the same time? What?
Well, because I was as we were doing this, I was like thinking, I was like, oh, and then I also have another screen too.
Oh.
So
Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
see you. That was fast. I didn't even notice. Oh, wait. Could you try what they're saying? Sorry, I can't help but researching because on my phone I will go to sleep soon. It's almost midnight here. What? It's midnight by you. Could you try the from now thingy? So on line 48. Thanks for watching though. On line 48 where you're at. Could
Yeah.
you do from DayJS dot from now instead? And
Both 2 words.
yeah. No worries, Ramon, and I thank you for like
Oh.
stepping in
Okay.
and listening to us. I appreciate it. You could delete all that. What what happened?
Oh, should I delete all this?
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, I guess put it on another line and then just comment it out for now at least or something like that.
Like this?
Yeah. And then the word from now is like 2 words. I could show you in the documentation what I'm referring to.
Okay. Um, Want me to go to documentation?
Yeah. So I think what Soul Vampire is suggesting is we do like the date from the current, like the old date to the current date. Oh, wait, I'm doing it backwards then. It would be,
This one? Oh,
yeah.
from now.
Um, DJS to. Wait, so Soul Vampire, just want to make sure. You're trying to say, um, my old date to my current date. Okay, so I think we could do wrap the DayJS and then put the you need to first set a variable to instantiate a date object. Okay. The thing is, I want DayJS to do that. Am I being crazy about this part? Because we
What?
already have the date, and we can just say like new date equals, and they already have the from now or to now. So like, do I need to do that part? Do you get me?
Yep. Can you hear me?
Um,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
I thought
yeah.
you. I thought you went away. I thought, oh Lord.
No, I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Honestly, I think. Okay. Do you think since there's only like 6 minutes left that
Hmm.
we were gonna do you want to finish the like? Cause at least you got to clone the repo. Like you learned that part about forking the repo, cloning the repo, finding out where the problem is, and following the issue. Do you
Hmm.
wanna do the second half, which is just converting the rest of it to like say the relative date to another day or time or
Like
whatever.
live?
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
want.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is fun. I
Really?
didn't think it would
Okay.
be this fun. Yeah, this is fun.
Okay. Cool. So let's do that because like I get tired easily, and it's also like it's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock for both of
Nah,
us.
I hear you. I hear you.
And
And I'm still in ball. I'm actually, unfortunately, I'm actually in the office. So, and
yeah, you got to go
I gotta
travel
catch my
home.
train. Yeah, catch my
Exactly.
train.
Okay. Before you go, let's commit your changes to the branch and
Mm.
then we'll do the rest later.
Can
Thanks
I
so
commit
vamp.
through? Can I commit through
Yeah.
here?
Yeah, you can either use the terminal. Oh, thanks. Yay. I don't know when do you want to do this again, Anthony? Like
We
maybe
could do next week.
next week like the same time, same date? Kind of.
Yeah,
Okay. Word. Okay, for
yeah.
anybody we'll do this and then I'll look up more stuff. Thanks Soul Vampire for your help. Um I just want to learn how to use DayJS too cuz like I know how to use like the JavaScript object, but like maybe I'm missing something. All right, cool. Go to your terminal and do git status. Git status. Okay. And then do git add the port. No, don't do all because I don't know what the shrink wrap
Oh yeah,
JSON
you're right.
is.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Add. Which one should I?
I think add the postgrid one and so source/components. postgrid.tsx. Cool. And
How do you add two? That
oh,
one I don't know.
we could do enter, and then I just wanted to double check that the changes in the package.json were actually
Oh,
what I thought. So we could do git diff package.json.
it what
Diff, like diff,
package?
diff, like
Oh,
different. Yeah. Package.json. Enter. Okay, perfect. What post hog did we install that? I don't know. It's okay. Yeah, just go ahead and we can um
what
oh, do you
was
know how to get out of there?
was it Command C? I think was it Escape Command C?
You could try that. I thought it was the colon Q. Like do shift and a colon and then write the letter Q.
Mm. All right, hold on, people. My skills aren't that good. All right, shift.
It's all good.
Hold on. Shift colon Q. Okay. All
There
right.
we
Wait,
go.
I got it. I got it.
Cool. And then we could get add the package.json and then do commit and yeah, thank you, Ayu. Enter and then git commit dash m. You could say, I don't know what you want to say.
I'll do open source part one. Something like that.
Cool. I like that. And then we could push that bad boy up.
Oh, wait. Branches. Update has not upstream branch. Oh,
In your code
Lord.
stream in the message box, enter updated code, then click the tick symbol. Yeah, that's true. You could have done it through Visual Code Studio Code. I
Oh,
forgot
yeah,
about
true.
that part. But we're already here, I guess. Thanks,
Yeah.
Soul Vampire. You could just copy the line that it just said, get push set upstream. Then it will update all your code changes. Yeah, that's true. Next time we could do that. Yay! You did it. Okay. So
That's part one, people. That's part one. Part two will be a lot better.
I thought this was okay. It was
I,
good. And now,
yeah, I didn't do too bad considering
yeah, you did
considering the fact.
awesome. And I wasn't sure because I'm like, this is my first test to see like how can I help people contribute to open source. So I'm like,
Dang.
this one pretty
Rizel's
good.
using Anthony Beckford as a guinea pig for her
No.
first test. You see? No, joke.
I said, great job, Anthony. So people are
Thank you.
rooting for you. Cool.
Thank
Thanks
you.
y'all for watching. I appreciate it. We'll be back next week and we'll finish this and when my brain is working and then also I'll try to have more people on. All right. Bye y'all. Thanks Ramon.
Bye.
Thanks everybody that listened. I'm gonna press end broadcast.